So we have differentiation from first principle. If you are asked to differentiate from first principle, so differentiation means to get the y over the x. And you are given y is equal to, for example, 2 raised to power 3 plus 5s minus 2. And you are asked to differentiate from first principle. What will you do? To differentiate from first principle, any place you see y, you add y plus change in y. Any place you see s, you add s plus change in s. So what you do, any question they give to you, call it equation 1. Then what again? The equation is find dy over dx from first principle. So what you do now, this y will now be y plus change in y. Then in place you see s, that will be 2 into s plus change in s raised to power 3 plus 5s plus change in s, then minus 2. So what again? You are looking for the y over the s, so you try to make this delta y sort of a formula. So we are going to now subtract y from both sides. So it says subtracting y from both sides. So you have y plus change in y minus y. We give you 2 into s plus change in s raised to power 3 plus 5 into s plus change in s, then minus 2, then minus y. And you know that from equation 1, that y is the whole of this thing. So you remove this y and write this. So it's going to give you 2s raised to power 3 plus 5s minus 2. Then now have that this y will cancel this. We are left with change in y, will give us 2 into s plus change in s raised to power 3 plus 5 into s plus change in s minus 2. So this one will open this bracket. When minus is opening bracket, all the signs will change. So it's going to give us minus 2s raised to power 3 minus 5s plus 2. So the next step is for you to open these brackets. I know that when the bracket is raised to power, you are not free to just expand it. So you are going to use Pascal triangle to open this. So you can call this equation 2. So you now say, using expanding only this one, s plus change in s raised to power 3, using Pascal's triangle method. So what do? You can't draw Pascal's triangle. Draw it. You know we have treated this already under binomial expansion. So if you go to binomial expansion, you can play to understand Pascal's triangle. So what you do, Pascal's triangle says when the power is equal to 0, you have 1. When the power is 1, you have 1, 1. When the power is 2, you see 1 plus 1 will give you 2. Then you write 1, 1. When the power is 3, this plus this will give you 3. This plus this will give you 3. You have 1, 1. So if I want to use it to expand this one, because the power is 3, and when the power is 3, you cannot just open the bracket. So it's going to give us s plus change in s raised to power 3. Go to where the power is 3. Now we have 4 numbers there. This one and this one stands for the equations of s and change in s. So because of this one, we say s, then this 3 now you combine the 2. So you have 3s change in s. Plus repeat this 3, you have 3s change in s. Then because of this one now you write change in s raised to power 3. Then what you do? You will now begin to raise the power from this s now. So you say s raised to power 3. Then the next power of s to be reducing by 1. To give you s raised to power 2. This will be s raised to power 1. Do the same thing to change in s. This will be raised to power 3. The next change in s will be 2. So this one is already 1. So it means when I expand this will be my answer. So we now go back to equation 2. We say that from equation 2. If you go back to this equation 2, remember we are trying to differentiate. So what you have is change in y will give you 2 into Now instead of writing s plus changing s raised to the power 3, see the answer. So we're going to write the whole of this. So I will now write s raised to the power 3 plus 3s squared changing s plus 3s changing s raised to the power 2 plus changing s raised to the power 3. That is this one. They now have 5. So because the power of this is 1, you can just open the bracket direct. So you have 5 times s will give us 5s plus 5 times this will give us 5 changing s. Then minus 2, you write the whole of this, minus 2 s is power 3 minus 5s plus 2. Then these two will multiply everything here. So you have that change in y will give you, this time this is 2s is power 3, 2 times this is 6s squared, changing s. This time this is 6s, changing s raised to the power 2. Then this time this will give us 2 into changing s raised to the power 3. Then plus 5s plus 5 changing s. They have minus 2s raised to the power 3 minus 5s plus 2. Then at this point now, you reduce some. So this one now, minus this will cancel this. This one will cancel this. This plus 2 will cancel minus 2. So we have that changing y will give us 6s squared, changing s plus 6s, changing s raised to the power 2, plus 2 changing s raised to the power 3, plus 5 changing s. So that is what you have. Remember, we are looking for the y by the s. So at this point, you divide both sides by changing s. So you say dividing both sides by changing s. So when you do that, you have changing y over changing s will give you. So you're dividing it 10 by 10. 6s squared changing s over changing s plus 6s changing s squared over changing s plus 2 into changing s is over changing s then plus 5 changing s over changing s. So you have that changing y over changing s will give you, this will cancel this. You have 6s squared plus this will cancel one of these. Then you have 6s changing s, because this one has reduced one of it. Then now have plus 2 into changing s raised to the power 2, but this will remove 1. Then plus 5, this one will cancel this. Then at this point, what do? You take the limit of both sides. So you say taking the limit of both sides as changing s tends to 0. So you take the limit of this, you say the limit of changing y over changing s as changing s tends to 0. So you take the limit as changing s tends to 0 of this side. So it's going to give us 6s squared plus 6s, then into changing s plus 2 changing s squared plus 5. Now whenever you take the limit of delta y over delta s as delta s change to 0, your answer will be the y over the s. And it is this the y over the s that we call differentiation. So limit simply means any place you see delta s, put 0. So if you do that, you are going to have 6s squared plus 6 into 0 plus 2 into 0 squared plus 5. They now have that the y over the s, which is that differentiation, will give you 6s squared plus 0, because 6 times 0 is 0, plus 0 plus 5. So our final answer will now be that the y over the s will give you 6s plus 5. And that becomes your final answer. Thank you very much, and God bless you.